Hello, my dears. Here's Sally, and we have 15 minutes today, especially for our lower back. If you have lower back pain, if it doesn't feel good here, or you already have pain in your hips, then this yoga is really relaxing, and you're welcome to do it on your bed. So you can even dive deeper into the relaxation to really relax all the muscles in your lower back, your inner organs, and even your psoas muscle. Are you ready? We start directly with the hands on our lower back. Start to rub here, maybe massage a little bit, or just hold your hands here. And get aware of your hands on your lower back. Increase the heat, increase your awareness, be really conscious. And if there are still thoughts, bring them all to your lower back. Leave your whole day behind you and just get aware of your feeling inside. When you totally arrived in your lower back, we want to come to the wall. So come as close as you come from the side with the buttock to the wall. It's easier if you come from the side. And then you just twist so your buttock is facing the wall and the feet are easily coming up. And at least just come a little bit closer if it feels good for you. And if this 90-degree angle is too strong for you or doesn't feel good in your lower back, then put a pillow or two pillows under your back, or even come a little bit away from the wall. Go for that, what really feels good inside. It's all about your lower back. And this pose is the base pose. It is always really powerful. And you can just stay here for 10 minutes. Let yourself surrender into the ground. Feel your breath in and out. Through the relaxation, your body can regenerate on its own. Put your right feet 1 to 2 centimeters away from the wall. Just feel what is coming or rising in your lower back. And with the inhale, all the toes from the feet up. Exhale to you. Inhale, right toes up. Exhale, right toes to you. Inhale up. Exhale to you. 10 times the total. Connect with your breath and with the movement. Your knee is straight. After 10 rounds, release. Feel after. And when you're ready, lift the left leg a little bit away from the wall. Inhale, all the toes up. Exhale, the left toes to you. Inhale up, straighten your leg. Exhale to you. Inhale up. Exhale to you. 10 rounds the total. Be totally aware of your lower back. What is happening inside? Only the feet is moving. Then relax. Feel after. and put both feet away from the wall. Inhale all the toes up in the sky and exhale heel in the sky, toes to you. Inhale up, exhale to you. Inhale up, exhale to you. Find your rhythm. Connect inside. And when you feel tingling or even not so powerful anymore, keep moving. It's just that your blood is moving more down into your head. Exhale. After 10 rounds, release. Come back to the base pose. Feel your lower back. Bring your right hand on the right thigh. Exhale. Open your right leg to the right side. Right knee straight. 3 times dynamic. Inhale, center. Exhale, open. And next time it's open, keep it open. Feel in your gentle stretch and move the wall just open as far as it feels good for you right now and your lower back. Use the support of your hand to come back to the center. One breath here and support your left leg with the left hand. When you open with the exhale, your left leg to the left side. Inhale up again. Exhale down. After the third time, when you're down, keep the opening here. If you want to get even more stretch out of it, bring all the toes as close as you can to your body. And the heels are pointing away from you. Your left hand can support your leg or even relax the thigh muscle inside. Feel your gentle opening. Your breath. Come back to center. Wiggle your toes a little bit. And when you're ready, with the support of both hands, bring both legs to the side. Open your legs here. And go as far as it feels good. You have the support from the wall. So your heels are all the time on the wall. You can breathe with your hands against your thighs or support your legs from down. Even with your shoulders are relaxed, neck is long, spine is long and elongated. Feel in your beautiful openings. Exhale. Slowly bring your legs back to the center. Put the hands on your belly and feel after. Come with the feet a little bit down on the wall. And then get as small as you can. Grab your knees if you are able to. Lift your head from the ground and make yourself as small and as round as you can. Then lengthen your left leg again. Open your right hip and bring the right leg over the left. You can put with the right hand on the right knee to open even deeper, or grab your left leg under the right. And with the left toe you can start to walk up the wall, more up or more down. Really go for which opening is right now the best one for you. Breathe in here. Dive into your opening, into your relaxation. Your breath is guiding you. Slowly walk the left leg up. Relax the right. Bring both along the wall. Wiggle your toes. Relax. Always relax a little bit in between. And bring your left leg down. Interlace your fingers behind your right leg, or keep the left hand on the left thigh. Whatever feels good for you. Really go for your opening. Find the right position with your right feet, walking more up or down. Get aware of this opening. If your hands are interlaced, you can even press with your left elbow a little bit against your left knee for more opening. And relax. Amazing. The next is Supta Baddha Konasana, the lying butterfly. Bring the sole of your feet together. Open both knees to the side and use your hands. You can press them against the knees or against the thighs to open more. Relax your lower back. If this is too powerful, just use the wall. Bring the feet more up against the wall or more down to your body for a deeper stretch. Feel your breath deep in and long exhale. Come with the toes a little bit up on the wall and slowly wiggle your whole legs from the left to the right, from the left to the right. Relax. And you can also come a little bit away from the wall now to massage your lower back. Bring your knees as close as you can to your chest. Grab them with your hands. Roll to the side or forward and backwards. It feels good for you right now. If you combine the hip even more, make small circles with your knees. Same amount in each direction. And when your lower back feels really healthy and supported and smooth, then relax your legs. And if you need more support, you can put a pillow under your knees. Come to your Shavasana. Dive into your relaxation. You can even dive deeper into your sleep or find your way to a seated position and get ready for your day. Thank you so much for experiencing your back in a new way to find relaxation and grounding. Thank you for your time and for your trust. I would love to see you again. Namaste.